Gana yubonu mwancho moligeria omo bishop omo yomo chore John Omangi ase kanisa SK asensemo ya South Nyanza ni gobona abekera sobrabo ali baligete ikirania bune kanisa sabaiga boria bwatana bagona barabechi kanisa kone kingo bwatana bare ali asoko nyara gosira ane bali batali kwenyara Omangi kokwane tokolia reni gaterune kerenge kereni kanisa noko bwatana na mane serikali kone kibuna ngwekera bali chinsemo chonse ni gochenga cha boria bare kurwa kanisa kone kingo na bale amanensemo ya serikali asoko nyara goikirania amangana rengete amagendo na bayigo nobura yobuya asate biru nambagendere gosabira ne serikali kone kibuno bura yobuya ngoikirani gubole aiga sense ya Kenya muri keito Mildred Momanye na roboti rwa senchira yobuikirano
Kanisa nigo ere ekiorokererio ikia guchia sei mwanya bantu buna enchere ya moyo kolenta okwigena ku monto angaso monene kolende asama tukabwango iga nigo kanisa yabeirege konyora okomochigo konene ase ogutabwatia chimbu chingia nase kanisa ya Anglican Church of God ase orosagia rwa Gusii omo Bishop John Omangi oyo ochorwa eliogotenena diocese ya Upper Southern Nyanza Kisii nigo aisokiri ase ntunde entangani kurwa ogochoro kwae na kugania abarai amona abantu bukugania okuya guchakobwaterana ase ogokora emirimo emia.
It's in this regard that we call upon the Gusii community leaders and people at large and people of goodwill to support this new diocese which has been born out of the greater Southern Nyanza diocese. For us to reach where we are, we had a vision and a mission which has led us to this far. Those pillars which will be sustained forward, like evangelism and outreach, will not cease. Leadership training and development is something that's ongoing. We will also embark on sustainability, on resource development and investment to have a strong financial base.
Nigo atebire ase kanisa yabo barubomba bwatiteli chiko na igomba gendrete kurandia enchiri ase balia basirire kurwa ase egasio monene asa tebire na kongu serikali kobeka lichiko ase oboteneli bwe kanisa.
On the ongoing consultation and collection of views by the Task Force on the Regulation of Churches, I think the Anglican Church has already made its stand, even through the NCCK, through the memorandum that was presented in the Senate by the NCCK General Secretary, Mr. Chris Kinyanjui, and that is what we are supporting at the position, because it is difficult to regulate the church. We only support a law which will deter those who are lost from the sound doctrine, but a law which will create freedom of worship. We are lucky that by God's grace I assume office as the youngest bishop still in this region, and I want to capitalize this youthful age to reach my young people in the region and even in the country. So this is a statement that young people can equally lead in the church, in the nation, and elsewhere.
Boigo nigo abuli abaraigo chagusanga amona barbo ekero barachi gutwara omusangerkano bugo chengera okonyora diocese yabo omochenyi ogatano na gatatu.
The Anglican Church has made a major contribution in the welfare of our nation since before, during, and after independence up to date. Anglican Church cannot be ignored. So we call upon the leaders of Gusii when we are planning for the enthronement service, which will be done by His Grace the Archbishop on August 27th this year at Gusii Stadium, that the leaders will come and support us in this great step in our region.
Kulipotelea egetaseni kia Ndizi TV, litaliane Mildred Momanye.